Hello, Carlos. What do you have in your hand?
Oh, this? It's just my water bottle. My health teacher says we should drink water every day, so I keep this with me.
Great idea. It looks like you have 2.2 liters there.
The label says 2,200 milliliters.
Well, let's convert the milliliter measurement to liters to see if I'm correct.
Okay, shouldn't we divide?
Yeah, when you convert smaller units to larger ones, you divide.
And there are 1,000 milliliters in every liter.
Of course. So we can set up the division like this. 2,200 divided by 1,000.
When we divide by 1,000, the decimal place moves to the left 3 places, doesn't it? So this would be 2.2.
It sure does. Yes, 2.2 is right.
So you were right. 2 and 2/10 liters is the same amount as 2,200 milliliters.
Now you can try more on your own.